If you've ever struggled with low water pressure in your home, you know how frustrating it can be. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 water booster pumps on Amazon for residential use in 2025, focusing on pressure performance, build quality, and real-world test results. Let's start with the AQUASTRONG Automatic Water Pressure Booster Pump. This pump is one of the most advanced options available for residential water systems, offering smart control with a variable frequency drive that keeps pressure consistent even when demand fluctuates. It supports a wide range of pressure between 22 and 80 psi and can pump up to 1,500 gallons per hour, which is ideal for whole house water systems. It's especially effective in homes with inconsistent municipal supply or low pressure zones. The self-priming motor makes it easy to install, and the energy-efficient design means it doesn't run at full power when it's not needed. Customers praise the quiet operation and reliability of this unit, especially for boosting pressure to showers and multi-floor bathroom. For anyone wanting a modern, quiet, and powerful system that maintains pressure intelligently, the AQUASTRONG Smart 45 is a top-tier choice. Next, we have the ZYIY Water Pressure Booster Pump. This compact yet capable unit is perfect for small to mid-sized homes where moderate pressure boosting is required. It delivers a flow rate of approximately 5.5 gallons per minute, with a head height of around 33 feet. It includes an automatic flow switch and solid brass fittings for durability and corrosion resistance. What users love about this pump is its ease of installation and ability to make a noticeable difference in water pressure for showers and faucets. It's particularly handy for solar water heating systems, or when boosting water to upper floors in small homes. While it doesn't offer the smart tech or high flow rate of more expensive models, the ZYIY 120 watts shines when it comes to simplicity, value, and reliability for everyday needs. Coming in third is the WASSERMANN Water Pressure Booster Pump. With a flow rate of around 5 gallons per minute and a pressure output of up to 55 psi, this pump is a dependable and cost-effective option for residential use. It features a built-in pressure switch and a self-priming mechanism, allowing it to automatically turn on and off as water is demanded. Its design is compact, making it easy to install under sinks or near existing plumbing without requiring a complete overhaul. This pump is popular among homeowners who want a no-fuss solution to improve pressure in bathrooms, kitchens, or even for garden use. It offers a good balance between power and noise control, and with a solid customer rating, it's proven to be a reliable performer in daily household use. Fourth on the list is the SEAFLO 33 Series Water Pressure Pump. This UL and CSA certified pump delivers 3.3 gallons per minute at a consistent 45 psi, and it includes a smart pressure switch that activates automatically when water is needed. It's commonly used in RVs, off-grid homes, or tiny houses, but it also performs well in residential settings where low flow or intermittent supply is an issue. The SEAFLO is praised for its easy setup, quiet operation, and long-term durability. It's also compatible with potable water systems, making it ideal for homeowners who want a boost without compromising safety. If you're looking for a dependable unit that meets regulatory standards and handles light to moderate water needs, the SEAFLO 33 series is a standout. Finally, we have the HANCHEN 2-in-1 booster pump system, which combines a powerful booster pump with a built-in pressure tank. This design helps reduce cycling and provides consistent pressure, especially in homes relying on cisterns or shallow wells. The system can handle up to 1,050 gallons per hour and is constructed with stainless steel for durability and corrosion resistance. It's especially useful in rural areas where water delivery from storage tanks or rain collection systems can be inconsistent. The included pressure switch and automatic controller make it easy to use, and its all-in-one structure reduces the complexity of traditional setups that require separate tanks and pumps. For households that require a stable water supply across multiple fixtures or floors, the HANCHEN 2-in-1 system is a practical and high-performance solution.